Hey everybody, Steve 87th here with just kind of a little update on what's been going on lately. Besides myself working a lot and trying to deal with an injury, I've gotten time to do a few little things. So on my trips, I've been able to go up and do some modeling on, let's see if they can get these guys in focus. Come on. Of some modern firefighters. So I got a couple of hose teams here. I got some more things I got to do with them. This team is totally intact with the air bottles and so forth. So those will be kind of fun to look at. And these guys are standing ones going in, entering into a house. So that's pretty cool. We got some mini print stuff that's been done. Got to take the garbage. Got lots of garbage bags done from mini prints. Finally did the hot tub. Not sure, haven't filled it with water yet and all, but got the hot tub finished. Did the little garbage cans, look a lot like the one that I have out in the yard. So those are kind of taken care of. Went and did the lift, the man lift from Mini Prints. It'd be nice, Bernard, if you're listening, it'd be great if you had one that was extended too. The ones that I've tried to do, which were extended, didn't really work out that well from Shapeways. We got the little mini car ride that you like to, you know, it's out in front of the shopping center and all that kind of stuff. Got that all painted up. Then I also came up and did the little trailer. I mean, I like it. It came out really good. So if you guys are wondering, I used one of the liquid mirror pens on this for the liquid mirror effect. And they're from Molotow. They've got a couple of different sizes and all that. I tried to make this look galvanized and it didn't quite work out. So I decided to paint an undercoat with this that was kind of dull, not the black that they suggest that you do for the chrome. And just kind of galvanized it a little bit. So I thought it came out pretty good. I got to say, this is highly detailed and really, really cool. Like it a lot. The only thing that I can say a negative thing that I can say about it, man, it was hard getting rid of all of those 3D printed holders for this thing to get in there and actually get that done. So that came out pretty good. I like that. Now I just got to get a boat for it. Okay, so let's see. Keeping with mini prints and the trash theme, went and did the larger or the longer of the two trash bins. I still got to get some decals for this. I'm not finding too many waste management ones, so I'm going to have to go find them myself. So that's the one with closed doors. And then I did the shorter, the 20-yarder, kind of the same way with open doors, so that people are running in there or taking it out and all. Yeah, there's still more stuff that's got to be thrown in there, but I'll do that when I get some wood or something. That's much better. And then lastly, this one I'm really impressed with. Thank you, Bernard, for doing this. The compactor is really, really great. I think it came out well. The fact that it's a whole single unit, that'll be good. I haven't taken out my waste management truck to see if that will fit on the back of it. I should do that. Maybe I'll do that before and add that to the end of this video. Okay, so that's all the mini prints things that I got, except for the firemen. The firemen weren't mini prints. Firemen were from Shapeways. But I've had those and been working on them for a long time. So this is something that I've had for a really long time. This is one of the GHQ Bobcats skid steers that I finally finished up and put white on it and so forth, and got it all done up. I've got some decals, I think, someplace, and I'm going to go ahead and finish on these. So that'll be kind of cool. Some of you people may have already seen it, but the Walters postal trucks, the LLV postal trucks have come in. And I went and did one with the mirrors on it. Let me tell you, these mirrors are not easy to get in. Let me just show you a couple of things. There is, so you can see here, I kind of messed up the paint there a little bit with a little bit of the glue. There are little hole holders that are really, really hard to get to. There's a little round hole there and a holder there, a holder up front with the round hole. You got to basically put them in. Same with this. There's just a hole in there. I used my trusty Tamiya glue. And then this one on the back was not the funnest one to put on. They just didn't want to hold that well. Not that they didn't want to hold. It's just you got to get a holding glue. And you got to be patient to be able to hold it there in a few minutes. But this is a really nice truck. I'm really glad I got that. And I got 3 of them. So maybe to replace some of the trucks that I already have. One of the other things that I've got, this is a long-term, have wanted this for a long time, haven't seen it for a while. A couple of these went up on sale. I actually wanted the covered one, but this is the Seagrave Open Pumper. It is, as you guys can see, it's going to be a nice little kit to put together. It was a cast kit that was made, so this will be kind of fun to put together for older fire truck or even an older fire station. Last month or so that you saw, I got some dump bodies. Well, now I got the trailers for the dump bodies to be mounted on. I think I'm might wind up buying the dump trucks. I haven't decided yet, so that I can have dualies. Now, these are a couple of projects that I've got going on. This guy is one of the new Brikia. What is this? This is the International truck. One that kind of looks like a clown in the front. Okay, so I actually got 2 of them. I kind of like this coloring. However, this is actually mated with this propane tanker. And the reason is, there is a truck that stops at the truck stop just down the hill from me that has the propane tanker the same color as the truck. So I want to kind of emulate that and do a little work on it. So the Brikias and the Promotex stuff all came from 3000 Toys. So that's all these things. This was an eBay catch. I'm trying to get the ladder truck now if I can find it. These 2 guys are GHQ. Little Bobcats. That's from Walters. This is all mini prints. And then these are from Shapeways. So that's kind of the little things that I've been doing. I have been working on my dump truck on and off for a little while. One of the things I do have to learn how to do is that whole trick on getting the Scotch tape on the windshields. I also have some other things that I got from mini prints that are going to go onto this truck. I haven't repainted the body or anything like that or stained the wood, but I did put some bubblegum lights up on the top of it. So it's coming out really well. I've got the other one that I still got to do, but that's kind of been it. I've been kind of busy doing a bunch of other things, and work has been very, very hectic as of late. And soon I'll be going back into traveling again and all. So just wanted to say that's what I've been doing for the last month or so. Thanks for watching. And this is Steve87 saying we'll see you again soon.